Assalamualaikum. Mohammad Safdar, one of the contestant of the Northern Region Committee. I started my career with the Vijay Amjad company, and then after completion I started my own practice in the name of Mohammad Safdar and Company. I am also a visiting faculty member of different universities in Lahore. At the very outset, I would like to thank to all present here for their active participation in the upcoming elections. And my views about the terms of next council are divided in different sections. And first of all is the service of ICAP to the economy and industry. In my viewpoint, the ICAP should change its image from a body of accountants to a think tank to guide the government and other institutes in the economy and industry issues. There must be some economic related or industry related research cell to guide all kind of issues that are faced by the government or other institutes. And as far as CPD activity is concerned, there must be some industry specific or some other sector specific related training or CPD activity or seminars so that the members who are working in industry may change the industry threats to business opportunities. And on the other hand, CPD activity must be embedded with the video conferencing or other net tools so that the members who are working abroad or the members who are living in small cities like Gujranwala, Sialkot or others may participate interactively in all the CPD activities or seminars held wherever. Now it's the era of information technology, and in my opinion, all the policy decision must be taken after active participation by all members, whether in practice or in industry, so that the rift between the members and between the firms are narrowed. We are listening in Lahore and Islamabad now as well about the problem being faced by SMPs. And in my view, there is no concept of SMP and larger firm. There are few people who don't want to share their resources with others, and there are few people who want to share their resources with others. So it comes to a big firm and a smaller firm. The institute must encourage the members to come up with their research work in all fields of education, industry and economy. And the current practice of institute to reprint the work of other international bodies and institutes must be curtailed. Whenever any booklet comes to us, it always have a single sentence that it was reprinted with the permission of so and so body. So in my opinion, just copying the word of others, we must have believe in ourselves, we must have some genuine thinkers who can work at their own. The institute will start the promoting the services of all the members as a single source all over the world so that the WTO becomes an opportunity for us and not a threat for all the members practicing in the country. And the institute also narrows the expectation gap between the ICAP and its members. The most common communication between the institute and member is the accountants and the newsletter. And they also come at a very time gap, at a big time gap. And normally the quality of the material is also very poor. And then I would also share my thoughts regarding the education system. I think there is a need for change of education system. So if I am in the council, I will try my level best to get it revamped, and there must be a system which makes sure that the institute is producing the most important and valuable intellectual capital for Pakistan, capable to handle current dynamic global scenarios. We must try to produce business leaders rather than good workers working in the bank offices and accountants only. And there, I would again thanks to all the members present here for their active participation. Thank you very much.